Alright, there goes Mama. She has a lot of snow on top of her trailers because they got a bad snowstorm here. So she's gonna go around and go see the snow on top of her trailers. That snow will blow off and blind other drivers that are behind her, and she could have pieces of ice come off of there and go into people's windshield. And there's been people that have really gotten hurt from doing that, from that happening. So I'm gonna go through there now. That scraper, that yellow thing is the scraper. Oh, I guess she's got to go the other way. This will be the first time we've come here where it was so bad out. So I guess you got to come the other way. The yard guy told her. Yeah, so it's the scraper's facing this way. We didn't even see that, so she's got to come around this way. But this will knock all of that off of there, and it's not guaranteed to get everything off. But it'll eliminate most of it. I got a lot of it, but it didn't look like it. Looks like there's still a kind of a chunk of it right there. Looks like there's still a lot up there. It looks like there's still... Yeah, I know, I didn't realize. Alright.
There was a bunch of snow. There was a bunch of snow on the other side.
Yeah, it knocked.
I got a trailer 2T007 from Polycab. What door would you like it in?
It's cold.
It knocked a bunch off, but it didn't get all of it.
Yeah, go and bring yours to 192. 192.
Oh, I think that...
192, I copy.
The yard guy already left home, the one that put the thing together. He was the one that told me that I have to scrape my thing. I thought he was joking. like I thought I have to go up there, and I thought you have to go climb and do it. So I laughed at him when he told me, you gotta scrape your snow on top. I was like, oh, okay. And I thought it was just a joke.
Yeah. That'll make us heavier too.
And I think they do that so the cars will.
Yeah, we haven't seen the second shift guys in a long time, huh, Mama? We haven't been here this late.
I haven't seen them in a while.
We got to haul ass now too. They didn't send nobody out. That weather slowed us down, and
Looks like there's
they
not
didn't
much
send
driver
anybody
today. I seen it.
out to bring us our load. So that tells me that there's not any guaranteed freight on this
Or it's not much driver.
on this trailer that it can get there a little bit later and everything can still make it
11,920.
in time. 11,920. Now we're weighing it to see
Woo! Spinning.
you got
Oh, I got to back up because I go over.
yeah, that's good.
18,560.
18,560, so we're light.
Whoop! My tires.
Yeah, I've seen drivers get stuck on that.
23,940.
Alright, that's a problem. But that's with all the snow. Did you have both of them tires
Yeah.
on there?
Okay, I'm just getting minus.
Alright, we're good. Yeah,
Hold
that
up.
was really heavy. We're not that heavy.
Minus.
Mama had both the damn tires on there. Just go ahead up and get the
I'm
last
just gonna
one.
minus
Let's
it.
go. We're too damn late.
Wow, that's close.
Alright, well we got, hold on for this guy. We scraped our trailer, got weighed, and we're ready to hit the road.
Oh, now I can go. Hurry up. Go, 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 go. I don't want to stuck in the snow.
At least we got some weight now. I hate driving them damn empty trailers.
Now you two have a safe trip back north.
Thank you. Have a nice weekend.
Alright,
Two.
Thank you.
glad to see you got 2 coffees today, Mama. Glad we got that team thing down. I always bring out 2 cups, and Mama goes, and there's 1 cup. Can you explain that
Well,
math?
I thought you were sleeping. Sweetheart,
You
I
thought
put
I
some
was
lotion.
sleeping after you hit me with a snowball in bed?
Honey,
Huh?
you put some lotion on. My
Yeah, yeah.
This guy's not coming to the car now.
Alright. We're Audi 5Gs. Yeah, if he's coming in here, then we got
Is he
issues.
coming?
No. This is normally where you'd lose your back trailer if it wasn't hooked right, if it was on that top hook. There's a lot of drivers that drop them right there, and there's a lot of drivers that drop them right here when they make this turn. They'll end up over in that ditch over there. Alright, well it looks like at least the roads will be clear now.
You said
On the
still
way
until
back.
tomorrow, Saturday morning, your winter weather.
And we have some weight. So there's the racetrack. They might be racing cars tonight if it dries up enough.
Those cars.
Mama.
Those cars. You know what's with our... I checked Brandywine Resort, Ski Resort. They sell passes for $5.
What?
From Saturday night, late Saturday night, from 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. $5. But the helmet is not included. $10 for helmet.
Hey, what y'all want to do this Silver Spring Heat trailer? OE1.
Get some music.
I believe I got.
They get some music. And another thing too, Sunday night from 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. is $35. So I think it just makes sense for nighttime because you don't
That trailer is OE1
you don't get to
801.
see the beauty of the place. So
Yeah, well, yeah, you see it at night. They got it lit up.
Renters is coming back.
It's
Brandywine
still,
is a pretty
it's a
big-
pretty nice scenery for
Yeah.
$5, I would think.
right. It's a pretty big place too. It's big. It looks like there's a lot of people. So I think I already have my little opinion is forming, kinda.
Oh yeah,
Just
Mama's
the
little
Mansfield-
opinion is forming.
The Mansfield is like almost like a little country.
Well, what about the skis?
I think it's included already.
So you just have to pay for the
Oh, there's
helmet?
summer. Should I wait for the summer? Yeah, wait for the summer.
Yeah, just wait a minute.
It's really fast.
Then you got another one right behind him.
Oh,
So
it looks like he's turning.
yeah,
You see
he
that?
is. Go ahead, you can go.
It's nice of him.
You got that
Is he
dirty
really?
ass.
Did he turn on it?
He better be. Looked like he was slowing down.
Oh yeah,
All right.
it's not ice.
We're Audi 5Gs. No, that's... I'm sure there's some slick spots, but that's... You don't have to worry about no ice. What time is it? It's, temperature, it's 33 degrees. Alright, well, I'm real hungry. I don't know if I'll be able to get back to sleep. Now you got me wanting to eat. And you got this stuff in your face with all them bananas. It looks like an orangutan over there.
Go to banana time.
Alright, we're out of here. Ice Road Trucker Girl USA.
B9.
P9 Ice Road Trucker Girl USA Philippines / Wari Nation.
Alright, nation.
Over now.